My name is Vishen Lakhiani, and I specialize in turning people into superhumans. For the longest time, work has been something that extracts from us. We give it our best, we want to get results, but so many of us get worn down. We buy into bullshit lies such as hard work will make us more successful. For the last 20 years, I've been exploring ideas and practices that unlock in people near superhuman abilities at work. And I did this by studying many of the greatest minds around the world. What I noticed is that true masters of work, they're not applying just what they learn in MBA school or brilliant marketing or brilliant strategy. Rather, they're tapping into abilities such as superhuman levels of focus and flow. This means the ability to rapidly process ideas, to focus on a result, and to tap into creativity and inspiration on demand. The second ability that I'm exploring in this event is intuition. Intuition is often ignored, but today we know that intuition is powerful. In study after study, CEOs who are trained in intuition create better profitability. What if you can learn to tap into intuition to make better decisions at your job? The third ability is the ability to bend reality. Hard work is a bullshit lie. Hustle has no place in my world. Rather, we can tap into states of being where we can actually create synchronicities, coincidences, and the right opportunities to move us towards our goal. But we'll go deeper than that. We'll talk about how to actually heal yourself and even reverse aging as you work. Imagine workplaces that no longer extract from you but actually make you younger. You learn how to create deep connections and relationships with the people around you. Within 6 months, with no increase in your working hours, you will see at least a 50% increase in productivity. You can measure this through your time worked or through the profitability of your company. If you do not see a 50% increase in your output or performance at work, the entire seminar is on us. The ideas introduced at Superhumans at Work have already directly been credited by many of the world's foremost athletes, rock stars, and entrepreneurs. Check out this article from Billboard magazine where the R&B star Miguel speaks about using the 6-phase meditation created by me and a key part of this component before he gets on stage. Or Tony Gonzalez, the NFL Hall of Famer, talking about applying these tools in his life. Or this recent one by Bianca Andreescu, who just won the US Open and credited my book after her win. What I want to do is accelerate these abilities in the workplace because I've seen the phenomenal results they've had. I really want to help more entrepreneurs understand that if you really want to play a much bigger game, to get your product or service out to the world, to have incredible results while living an incredibly beautiful, thriving life and being in your best state of being ever, there are abilities and states within you that you can learn to access. So I look forward to seeing you at my upcoming Superhumans at Work event in Los Angeles, happening in 2020.